So we all know owning a business is way more than just having a fancy logo and having a LLC. You don't want to launch your business and then post after like, oh, we just launched. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. And for those of you who are new here and it's your first time seeing my face, welcome. So as you guys know, here on my channel, I create absolutely free videos helping you guys to grow and excel your online businesses. So you guys are asking me what would be the next step if you guys have already established your business, LLC, logo, and pretty much have an idea of where you want to go with your business. So we all know owning a business is way more than just having a fancy logo and a LLC, because honestly anyone can get those. So if you are literally almost ready to launch your business, then this video is going to be for you. So this video is specifically made for those of you who already have LLCs and you have a logo. What do you do next? Okay, so since you guys already have logos, I'm pretty sure at this stage you're aware of the type of product or service that you are going to be selling. So if you're hand making your products, you want to make sure you're always buying your supplies wholesale. This is going to give you the most bang for your buck. Also, if you are going to be reselling products on a website like a boutique, then you also want to be buying your products wholesale. So you guys have to remember, when you get products at a wholesale price, they're giving you a deal because you're buying more than one product. So never buy one product when you're a business owner. Buy wholesale. Buying wholesale is going to allow you to price your products at an affordable rate, and it's also going to allow you to make more profit. So once you have your LLC and your logo, you want to start ordering samples of the products that you're going to be selling. So let's say you are a boutique and you're going to be selling shoes, you're going to be selling clothing and handbags. You want to purchase samples from different vendors just to try out the quality, because you absolutely do not want to sell crap quality. So when you sample your products, you're not just opening the package and looking at it, or it appears to be fine. No, you want to actually wear the products to make sure they are long lasting and durable. So once you're sure about the product you're going to be adding to your store and you have your samples, you want to use those same exact samples. Order more than one sample. You want to use those samples for your business photo shoot, because you do need professional pictures on your website. So you want to use the samples. Also, with those samples, you want to start sending those samples out to models, to UGC creators, to influencers, so they can start creating content for you. So once you're ready to launch, or even before you launch, you're able to have this content, so you're not last hand or last minute running around trying to create content to promote your business. And you have taken photographs. You then want to start building your website. But before you start building your website, you always must have a landing page. I literally talk about this in all of my before you launch videos, because I think landing pages are super important, because it gives you like an upper hand, because even before you launch your business, you're going to have people that are interested in purchasing from you. So why not capture their emails, so when you are ready to launch, they will be the first people to know, and you can even offer them a discount. Once you have your landing page in effect, you want to start creating your website. If you don't know how to create websites, I would definitely recommend going on Fiverr and finding someone to do the websites for you. Nowadays, they make building a website so much easier than what it was before. They have Shopify, they have Wix. If you want to start out with Etsy, which I really don't encourage. I actually have a video comparing Etsy to Shopify, which is like having your own website. There are its perks, but I always recommend you guys to have your own website. So when creating your website, you want to make sure that your website is easy to navigate. Like, people like boom, bang, bang, add this to the cart, check out, that's it. They don't want things to be difficult. So you shouldn't have your pages too busy with a bunch of background images and colors and stuff like that. No, keep it nice and simple. You could do pink, you could do colors like that, but just make it a solid color. Don't make it too bright, and don't make your pages too busy. On your website, each one of your products should have a photograph. Each one of your products should have a product description. If it's a body or skincare product, then each one of those products should also feature the ingredients. Literally everything that a customer needs to check out. So this is going to ensure that they don't have any excuses as to why they're not checking out, any excuses why they need to email you and reach out to ask you questions. So whatever they need to know, it should be on the description of your product. So your website should always include a FAQ page, which is for frequently asked questions. Should also include a shipping policy page, a return policy page, and a cancellation page. If you want, you can put them all in one. And of course, each and every website has to have a privacy policy. Like even when you're selling on social media apps such as Instagram and TikTok, they always have a privacy policy. So, and that's literally it. Like those are the steps that you need to take to actually launch your business. So you have your logo, you have your LLC, you have your landing page. This is before you launch your website. You have your website and you have content because you use your samples to send them to models and UGC creators and influencers. So you have your content ready to be posted on social media. You have your website that's ready. So before you're ready to hit the launch button on your website, you want to make sure you're already planning and posting and getting people amped up for your launch on social media. So you don't want to launch your business and then post after like, oh, we just launched. No, you want to post sneak peeks and clips and behind the scenes of you about to launch your products. Like I said, you want to create hype around your brand launching. So launching a business, as you guys can see, it's not difficult. It's super easy. A lot of things that people miss is the launching page. I can say that like that's the one most missed thing is the launching page, and also like creating hype around the brand, because a lot of people just launch the business. Like they don't create any hype. They don't get people anticipating about their launch. They just literally like launch products, and that's not how you should properly launch. So you definitely need to create the hype around your product. As you guys can see, launching a business is not hard. It's very simple. Like I said, those are the only two steps that people really miss, is the pre-launch page and actually creating hype around the release. So when it comes to having a business, especially if it's an online business, as you guys know, social media plays a huge, major, gigantic part in your business and the amount of sales that you're going to get. So if you're not active on social media, if you're not posting on social media, you're not going to get sales. If you're not actively marketing your products on social media the right way, because because there are people who actually market their business, but they're not posting the right type of content. So that's not going to get you sales. You guys have to learn how to properly film your videos and edit your videos and just create appealing, captivating content that is going to make people want to buy your products. It's not hard to launch a business. The difficult part is actually marketing your business consistently and marketing it with the right type of content to get sales. I always tell this to you guys, like literally every video I make about having a business, I'm talking about the importance of marketing on social media. But you guys know I always have you guys covered. That is why I created a content marketing course, and I'm linking the details to my course down below in the description. It's not $1,000 or $500, or it's not even $200. So you guys can click down below and grab the course. It literally shows you how to film. I'm literally showing behind the scenes how I create content for my business. Then it shows you guys how to edit the content that I filmed, and it also shows you guys how to edit content and create content for a service-based business. So this course, you guys, I swear by this course, because I know it's what people need. Like you need to learn how to market. That's the most important thing of selling anything. Like I said, you can have the best product in the world, but if you're not marketing it the right way, then you're not going to get sales. So that is going to complete this video. I hope you guys found this video beneficial and helpful. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any video recommendations. Again, I'm here to help you guys. Like that is my sole purpose of creating these type of videos, is to help you guys. So let me know in the comments if you guys need any videos made. Chances are I probably already had the video. I can link it for you, but if not, I'll go ahead and make that video for you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys on next week's Saturday video. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Thanks so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye guys.